All right, what's going on in this review? We are going to review this DEERC Sonic Rush. Now this has a brushless motor on it, and it comes with a 3S battery. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you everything that did come in the box and talk to you a little bit about charging that battery. But right now we're in the river, and we're going to rip this thing all the way across our river here and show you this thing running. There's a sensor on it.
Okay, ready?
No, maybe.
Can I go?
Yep.
Is there different speeds on this?
I don't remember. Holy crap! You got it upside down. This button. There you go. That's how you get it to... Where'd it go? Holy crap!
It just flips as soon as I start going fast. That's max.
So don't...
See if...
Why is it flipping so easy?
That's half. That's like not even half.
It's really, really fast.
It got me wet.
That thing is crazy fast. Oh, oh, oh!
That is cool though. You wanna try?
Yeah. It's going to the left.
Is it?
The steering. That might have been some of it. You had the steering really, really not straight.
I didn't even notice.
So maybe it was turning really, really hard though the one way or something. Look at that, it goes so much better. All right, well this is only like half speed. This thing is crazy. Here we go.
As fast as this one goes.
Oh!
Flipped.
Flip it back. There it goes.
See, we got to see it that time. Give him donuts.
How fast can I do it doing it before I wreck?
Go max.
Hang on. I was going down river.
Oh my gosh.
I think I had to adjust it. Hmm?
There's no phones. I heard some TikTok song, bro. I don't even know.
I'm glad it has that self-writing thing. Oh, all right, you've seen it. This thing is definitely, oh, hang on. This thing is definitely fast, and you can see that this self-writing or flip it back over button, whatever you want to call it, definitely works because we flipped it over a couple times. It is really, really fast. But thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day. This is everything that comes in the box with the DEERC 816 brushless RC boat. Now you're going to have LED night navigation lights. You will have a 1-button capsize recovery on this, and this supposedly goes around 35 miles an hour, so it's definitely a pretty good fast boat. The ages are 14 plus for this. It says over here full protectional control, low battery and long range signal alerts, figure 8 demonstration mode. You have a dual layer waterproof protection. I'll show you what they mean by that. And you get the manual, you get one 3S battery, you will get the charger. And when you do charge that battery, it says the red lamp inside the computer USB flashes, indicating that the battery is charging. When the red flashes turn to green, it indicates the charging is complete. So when the red turns to green, your charging is complete. And you'll have one of these plugs into the boat, one of them plugs into the charger. So this one is to plug into the charger. You have 2 different little nose cones. So pretty much you'll have one extra one after you put one on. It doesn't come with it automatically on there. You get 2 different size wrenches, a little Allen wrench, and you will get an extra prop and a little nut. Let's look inside. This motor in here is brushless. It is a brushless motor, like I said, water cooled. So we will open this up. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter which way. So we can take that cover off. That cover is not really watertight though. This cover is watertight, and it has 4 different things on this one. So you got to click them to the unlock position. Unlock, 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 unlock. And that will pop off of there. And right here is where you're going to plug the battery into. And your battery should fit right in that compartment, I guess. Yep, just like that. Now when you put this cover back on, this little front tab here does not go in that hole. That hole's for the other cover. So you don't get a little confused there. And I like to put the batteries in when I'm ready to go. And this is the controller for it. You'll have steering trim and throttle trim, the on-off button, and then this button right here is the self-rightening button. So if it flips over, that's a button you're going to push if it flips over. Just this little one here on the bottom. This one here is how you steer. This is how you go forward, and that's how you go backwards. Pretty simple. Oh, and you will need batteries for this. There is, I think, 4 AA batteries in there.